Hello everyone, so here's Disney Now app. It includes Disney Junior shows, so there you have it. You can just tap on Get or on the cloud just to download and install it on your iOS device. So yeah, you can watch current seasons from Disney Junior, you can play games, you can add your faves, you can unlock more. If you want to you need to sign in with your TV provider to watch even more content. And then you can just stream live TV from anywhere. Choose Make It Yours, choose your channels and Disney emoji. There is Disney Junior mode. And there you have it. You have original videos, games, and activities. And it has this list of the favorite Disney shows, including Duck and Tales, Owl House, Puppy Dog. So for this app to work, you need to have US-based internet connection. So yeah, probably it won't work if you're outside of US. And here you can also go to the website disneynow.com. So this is a separate website as well, in addition to the app. So there you have, the app is quite large, but yeah, probably because it just contains so much episodes and all of that. However, it has not the greatest reviews here, and you can also get obviously Disney Plus app, and when it is downloaded, you can just open the app. And here is Disney Now app.
Let's make Disney Now yours by creating your profile. Ready? Let's go.
You can select to do maybe later. And here is the app. And you will see that some episodes are locked and some episodes you can start watching. So yeah, as you can see here, the app requires, as I told before, that you are in the United States. But anyways, that's the look of the app here. So you have home, shows, you have games, and you have your profile. So that's that.